Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is what is coming next. Charms reading for you, friends. Yes, this was one of the requested readings, friends. Here it is now, and I have my bag of charms here. Yes, friends, and this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading. You can visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. Also, friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot because you get a chance to win a free reading whenever free. You can be one of the lucky winners at the end of every month. One lucky winner will be selected, but it is for those who subscribe, like, and share. So thank you so much. And this is a big week. We have a full moon coming right away, 20 on the 30th. So big things are happening, friends. So let's jump right into this reading. Let's take a deep breath and relax and choose option 1, this beautiful light card. Option number 2, this beautiful harmony card. Option number 3, this beautiful hope card. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly skip there and choose your option. So let's start with those who chose option number 1. Let's see what's coming next for you in your love, work, and career. For option number 1, you have chosen a beautiful card, friends. The light, number 19. Very powerful, very, very powerful. Let's see. These are your oracle messages. This is your advice for the week. Let's see. Ooh, 10 of spring. My God, you are starting, I think you are feeling right now very pressured in some way or the other. There is a lot of burden or pressure. I think maybe some of you are working too hard or maybe taking too much of stress. Look what the card says. You are working too hard and the stress will soon become too much. So I don't know if you realize it or not. But pile number 1, some of you are feeling very, very stressed out. Perhaps you are worried. I also feel some sense of pressure, like you have to keep. Maybe you are carrying the world on your shoulders, like a lot of worry. Or maybe you're just working too much, like you want to achieve, or you feel stressed because of this world's whatever happened in this year. It is like causing a burden on you. So, yeah, I think this energy is shifting for you, try not to do too much this week because this is a week when you are already under pressure. I don't know why. Are you feeling like the underdog? Because that is how I feel. And if you feel like my voice is squeaky or something, it's very cold, friends. It's very cold here, and I have my heating and everything perfectly, thank God for that. But it is cold, yeah. And it's nice, it's a wonderful weather. I don't know, are you feeling like the underdog, like people are not listening to you, you are being pressurized, maybe at work or in your life or at home. So there is a lot of pressure. So let's see what else. 2 of autumn. Yeah, a busy week for you, friends. A very, very busy week for you. So make sure not to do too much, or just uh, don't try to take too much stress this week. It's not worth it because there's already a full moon, friends. So stay light, stay calm, and just forget about the world. Try and meditate because you have chosen the light card. Focus on the good things in life. This is a busy week. You will have to say no to some things, like, no, I don't want to do this. Don't take stress, and don't try not to take it. And I also feel you may be confused whether to about a decision. I feel like you are between your head and heart. Your heart is saying one thing, your head is saying something else. So don't do that, friends. I think you will find the solution. Strength, look at that, what a positive card. Your health is going to improve, friends. Your health and these burdens are going to be removed. God is with you, friends. God is with you. They are watching you. You are not this sheep. You are this tiger. You are this lion. So believe in yourself. Don't give up. And I also feel, friends, that if you are having some stress because of health issues, or if you are worried about some, future, your future, things will be great. Don't worry. You're going on the right path. I also feel like you will feel very strong this week, like you can super achieve, but don't try to do that because it can affect your, I don't know why. It feels like a power struggle this week. The energies are set like that. Maybe it is between your heart and mind, or with your parents, or with family members, or lovers, or, some power struggles may happen. But remember, you are very powerful, you are very protected, and don't try to take too much load or pressure. The Wheel of Fortune, yes, things are going to change for you. You're very close to some important breakthroughs. They may come this week or soon after in the new year, as we are doing it on the new year. But this is a timeless reading. You can watch it anytime, friends. Good changes are coming for you. Keep doing what you are doing. I also see a twin flame relationship or a strong relationship is going to shift. This Wheel of Fortune is going to happen for you. Things are going to shift. That connection or that relationship, any stuck relationships, are going to move forward. I also feel you have something that is pulling you down. You will find freedom from that. Maybe some people are negative. I don't know you're busy. Someone is telling you, like, maybe your exams are coming, or you're busy at work and with you're studying also, so that is making you busy. But things will get better for you. This is the week it changes, your life changes. Six of Autumn, yes, your hard work is going to pay off. You have worked very hard, and some of you are like, where are the rewards? Where is the reward? It is coming, friends, it is coming. You don't need to worry about it. You are definitely going to have your hard work paid off. I see money also is coming your way. Some of you are very worried about money, friends. It is coming your way, don't worry. And look at that, angel feather is here. So some of you may get some angel feathers this week as a reassurance that you are on the, you are protected, you are safe. I also feel some of you are very worried about money, or some money related, work related decisions, or career related decisions. You will find the right solution. Don't worry, don't stress yourself. The solution is coming. Nine of Cups, yes, you are going to feel happy, friends. Something will happen that will give you some relief and some happiness. Maybe it is your birthday, or maybe you're working very hard to achieve a goal or a dream. Yes, friends, you will achieve it will come true for you. Don't worry, you're very close. I know I keep saying this, but yes, you're very close to achieving something. You're working very hard, you have been patient, you have done everything. You will find this ultimate happiness. I think this week you should take time to enjoy life with yourself, do things you like. Maybe some of you may get a new puppy, or a dog, or a cat, or maybe you will celebrate with your friends, or some celebration is there. I think if you are not celebrating yourself, it is time to do that. Why? Because you have worked very hard this year, friends, and you're an amazing person, so it is time to celebrate. It is time to celebrate how far you have come. And in your relationships, I feel a change is coming. A change is coming. You will find someone, maybe a new person, a new friendship, or the return of a past lover. The star, again, see, wish is coming true. Your creativity will be very high this week, friends. So go for your creativity. I also feel that. You are working for a goal or a dream. You have some goal or dream, and something will happen which will assure you that yes, you are going to achieve that dream. You will achieve that dream. You will achieve it and find it. uh, I also feel like some of you are not taking care of your health, so you will do it in this week, or you should do it in this week. Take care of your health, drink some more water, take some more fluid, and I also feel, friends, like something will happen that you are not expecting. You are not expecting. This will make you happy. It will bring you happiness, it will bring you some joy. I feel it is like you finding some help or some inspiration. See, again, there is a butterfly, there is this feather also. Something unexpected is going to happen which you are not expecting this week. We will see with the charms also. But it may happen like, you get that job call, or it may happen like you find some good days, or a good week for you, some money coming your way, some the messages you were waiting for, a lover calls you back. But I feel you will also find this week lucky, because some messages from the universe are coming from you, for you. Extra money or some signs. So you are very powerful, friends. Believe in yourself. Let's see some extra oracle messages. Stay flexible, number 19. Yeah, I think you're working too hard and it is time. You may not see this change coming, this positive change. In fact, you may still be doubting, like, oh, this won't happen in my life. It hasn't happened, so it won't happen. But I think you're very close to achieving that goal, friends. So go for it. Stay flexible, keep your mind open. Things can get better than you expect, and you can find some help also which you are not at all expecting. So stay flexible, and don't get too don't be too egoistic or too strong this week. Just stay flexible like the water. Yang, number one. Yeah, you're very ambitious. I feel this week is perfect for you to plan your new goals, for new goals, new dreams, new ambitions. Yeah, start working on them or start planning them. Start a diary or a journal. Start planning. It would be good for you. And I see someone is going to take action towards you. Maybe a lover is going to call you, or an opportunity for job is coming, or you are going to take action for your dreams or goals. But you might overdo it, so just just be patient also a little bit. Let's see other messages. Ooh, the waiting game. Yeah, you're waiting for something, friends. I felt here also like a very, very old wish. You have a wish, you know what you want, but it hasn't happened yet. Maybe you have worked for it, but you haven't achieved it, like that job, that promotion, or maybe you want to travel, or maybe you want some fitness. So you will, some things, destiny is working with you. Destiny is in favor of you. So this wait is actually a good thing happening for you. I think this week you will get some very clear signs what you need to do next, and it will change everything. You will make note of the signs you are getting, friends. Butterflies, feathers, numbers, everything. Keep noting them down. Let's see the advice for you. Adjustments are required, third quarter moon. Yeah, you do need to adjust, some things. I think, there might be people who won't adjust this week. There might be some power struggles happening. People might behave like, we don't care, because everyone is a bit frustrated right now and the energies are high. But adjust. I know you're already doing the best you can, but just keep your timing flexible and keep your goals flexible. Why? Because this there things are about to shift for you without so much effort. So just wait for it and go for it. You will get the signs, then act. That's how I would suggest you. Let's see your charms so we get more clarification. Option number one, what will happen, people? Okay, almost dropped the charm. That's the first thing. That's a scrap paper. So yeah, some things need to go out of your life also. I don't know why that happened. Something needs to go out, some cleaning, something needs to be removed. Let's see the charms that went out. So the letter that went out was this letter N. Let's see your charms, friends. Oh, the snowflakes is stuck here. Which is it? It is in the letter P. So maybe a wish is, someone with the letter P is important for you, friends, or someone with this letter is important this week for you. Let's see your charms. Let's just separate them a bit so we can focus on them. ex might be important for you, or you're thinking about an ex lover or a friendship or a relationship or someone like that. Your twin flame, your ex husband wife is thinking about you, or maybe you feel very much under pressure with that situation. There is also, this word sexual intimacy here. So maybe some of you are having a lot of passion because you have this yang. So there is too much passion. You have a lot of passion, ambition this week. So just keep it a little balanced, keep it a little balanced. And there is V, there is K. Let's see. So the charms are PLPNSEXVK. And you also have the health chart. I feel you should take care of your health, friends, this week, because things are a bit, you're working too hard, you are neglecting yourself. Don't do that. Number 15 is important for some of you. Number 77 is also important for this week. The red house, I think you're very passionate about your goals this week, whether it is education, career, love life, and you're working for it, friends. You will achieve success. The wheel of fortune is here, so yes, you're very lucky, friends. Your luck is increasing day by day, so don't give up on yourself. Three of hearts, some celebrations are coming your way, or you're going to meet some new friends or make some new friends. If you were in a third party, or if there is a triangle, if someone is making, if there is a third party, I see that relief is coming there. Long distance ship, I feel, some of you want to travel, or you just want to escape from life, like, you want to go away for a vacation, for traveling, or for studies, or for education, somewhere away. Move out, probably. Yes, things will work. Long distance news messages are coming for you. Look for the signs. The horse, you are very strong, friends. You are very powerful. Don't doubt your strength, but don't overdo it also, because otherwise you will get tired. Look at this. What does it say? You are my sunshine, and my sunshine, you make me happy. When the skies are gray. Wow, someone is telling you this. Look at this. I don't know if you realize it or not, friends. You are someone who makes a lot of people happy, and I think right now you need this boost of happiness, this encouragement, like, yes, you can do it, and people are with you. Are you feeling alone, friends? I think someone is missing you, your ex person or someone. I don't know, you felt like an underdog here, like a lot of pressure is on you. You are my sunshine, and you make me happy when the skies are gray. So definitely a lot of people smile, and their reason of happiness is you. You are unique. Yes, you are unique. Not many people understand you. Or this week, you have unique ideas, unique views. Even, your goals may seem unique to your friends or family, but don't worry. People who understand you are coming. The wheel is changing. The light, focus on the light, friends. Focus on your future. Focus on it. Don't give up. And don't overstress also. King of Cups, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. Five of Cups. Someone is missing you, friends. You are also missing them. They are also missing you. It is a star. Again, a star is here. Wish is coming true. You also have the star card here. Your wishes are coming true, friends. Get ready. Asia is important. And moon, yes, we have a full moon, friends, this week, so be very careful. Things may seem a bit triggered, or may seem a bit intense for you. Moon is also a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. September is also important, so maybe someone born in September or something happened. Four of Cups, happiness, I feel you are, just a bit of patience, friends, and things will get shift for you. Monkey, yeah, keep playing, stay focused, be mischievous, don't stress life. Eight of Years, you are worried, friends. Something is causing you some worries, but don't worry, things will get better. Five of Years, yeah, someone has cheated. There are trust issues. You don't trust somebody, or maybe, maybe it is a lover, or family members, or friends. There is someone who has broken your trust, and they want to come back. Nine of Cups, oh my god, you have synchronicity. Look, Nine of Cups again. Wow, you also have the star. So, yeah, something will happen which will make you happy, friends, and you are not expecting. Maybe it will happen this week or in the coming 10 to 20 days, because the new year is also coming. So, maybe now or in the next 10 to 20 days. Queen of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, get ready, friends. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is important. And make sure to subscribe our channel, Magic Wednesday. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye. So, friends, if you choose option number two, let us see what is going to happen for you for this week. Let us see. This is a charms reading, so don't worry. I have your charms, bag of charms also. These are your oracle messages, the advice card. Let's see what's going to happen. Whew. Oh, the 10. Wow, the 4 of winter. I think you're feeling a little bored, probably, like nothing is happening much in your life currently. Or maybe your love life is a bit dull, nothing is happening, you're in no contact, or there is no one in your life currently. You're feeling right now a bit bored and a bit lazy also. But or maybe you're not feeling any sort of a spark, excitement. So that is how you start this week. But the king of spring, so definitely something is going to happen that will make you feel excited or passionate about life or about this week. And Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important, someone who is very passionate, very bold and very dynamic. Someone very bold and passionate is important. I also feel you will find your passion this week, friends. If you're feeling like life is dull, something will happen, or you will find something that will excite your life. Six of Winters, yes, friends, you are coming out of a lot of challenges. That is why things are a little peaceful in your life. You should be grateful for it. Because life is moving you in the right direction now. It is taking you towards the success, it is taking you towards peace, it is taking you towards prosperity. So don't worry. Some of you are doubting whether you are on the right path or not. Yes, friends, you are on the right path, and things are only going to get better from here. At least that's how I see the Empress. Wow. Yeah, some of you may be expecting a baby or a childbirth this week, or the pregnancy chances are high. Maybe in the future you will meet somebody who is perfect for your marriage partner. Maybe you're talking to someone this week because of marriage, for love, for for marriage, for harmony, for getting for your future. I think someone, there is a talk about your future, and set you're talking to someone. I see you talking to someone about your future, about settling down, having a baby, all those things, all those things. And I also feel like you will find, if you're feeling very unhappy with your career, education, if you're a student, even if you are just plain bored in your life, this week you will find something that will excite you. You will get your excitement. uh, you will fall in love with yourself and your goals. So that's a good thing, friends, that's a good thing. I also feel you might take some, your mother might be important this week, or maybe some of your friends are getting married, or someone is having a baby in the family. So that will bring a lot of happiness to you. It will somehow reassure you that yes, life is good. And the king of summer, wow, you have two kings here. Look at that. This is beautiful. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important for you, friends, or Aries, Leo, Sag person, friends. So, very nice. I also feel like this is a time, when you may feel like there is a lot of, you know, you may feel like a bit emotional this week, and also you may feel like, you have to push yourself a little. So yeah, you have to, because this is a little emotional, a little lazy kind of a week for you. Also, something will develop in your love life. Maybe you will get two people in your new connections, or maybe there is a talk of marriage. Someone around you is getting married, or you are getting ready to get married, like preparing your mind, like, yeah, I want to settle down, I will do this in the future. And so you're talking about all these things. It's nice. And there are two kings, so maybe there is a choice of lovers. I feel like there is a choice of people, or maybe your heart says one thing and your head says another. Heart says one, head says another, but you will still have some choices this week. Four of Wands again. Marriage is very important. Family, stability, structures, all those things are very important. Sea otters, you are looking for love, friends, this week. You are looking for love, whether it is in work or your love life or your friendships. You want someone who is stable, who is committed, and who understands you. You are ready for a new relationship. And I do see it is going to happen for you. This is the preparatory week for you. You are preparing for it. I also see that some of you are trying to change your career or something, or your education. Yes, it will happen, but you are currently on the right path. You should not make this move. You should plan and work, learn right now. This is not the move, this is not the time to just make the shift right now. Some of you will be traveling this week, that's for sure, or you are returning from a travel, like returning back home, or you are planning for a travel. So that is also there. Ten of Summers. Family is very important for you this week, friends. This week is all entirely focused on who is your family, what you like, what you don't like. Are you ready for love, for deeper commitment? Maybe some of you have decided that only marriage is gonna make, only marriage, nothing else will do. I do see someone wants to come and make up with you, someone that's your twin flame, or someone who's long distance person, no contact. They want to come and tell you they are missing you, they want to talk. Things will get better. Things will get better because they see you as this empress. Let's see some extra cards. Peace. Yeah, peace is coming, friends. Peace is coming in your life. And also, this is you may find this week a little boring, or right now also life is boring, so you can change it by feeling excited with yourself. Deep knowing. So this is, you know the answers, what you need to do, what is the right thing. I think your heart knows the answers you are seeking. Just listen, friends. This week, I think rather than taking, drastic decisions, listen. Listen to your heart. Things are getting better for you. Don't worry. You know the answers. Let's see the other cards. Spiritual strength, Nine of Swords. I think there is, maybe you are a bit worried about your work, about the future, where things are going, about your marriage. But you are very protected, friends. Maybe some of you have started a new business, you are worried about that, or you are working and you want a new job or a promotion, you're worried about that. Or maybe you're single and you're worried like whether you'll find a perfect life partner, or your marriage will be peaceful or not. Yes, friends, you have a lot of strength, and you have learned. So you have learned a lot this year, but you have still kept your heart open. So take care. Don't stress too much this week. Enjoy this week. Focus on what makes you. Don't be too lazy. Stay focused on your dreams and goals and your future, and listen to your intuition. That's very important. Let's see the advice. Communication is the key. New moon in Gemini. Yeah, I think I think you're missing someone from the, your spirit family is actually talking with you, and I think you should keep your, you should listen to them this week. You will hear your past, loved ones, your family members. You are going to hear them, or they want to talk to you. Also, a lot of communications are coming this way. So communications are a theme. Family communications, love, harmony is the theme for you. Let's see the chance for you, option number 2. See, protection charm is also here. Oh, lots of charms actually. So let's separate them. Wow, you have a letter and a snowflake. So this is important. Like A is important for some of you. Snowflake is like magic. It is like finding. It is like a wish come true, something magical. Oh, you have another snowflake stuck in an O. So maybe O is also important for some of you. So let's see. There is the name Dio, Dia, Kia is the name here. Okay. Okay could be a name for somebody. So the alphabets are O, K, D, E, A, O. They are important for you. The heartbeat. I think, take care. This is the week when family is very important. So maybe someone in the family, is recovering. So you are worried about. I mean, it's more not about recovery. It is like things are going to go well in your family situation. Also, there is another thing I feel, your spirit family is talking to you, so keep your eyes open. People you have lost, passed over, they are talking to you. The Maybe it is animals, pets you have lost, or grandparents. The blue car, learn something. You will learn something new, and anything you learn something or start working on this week, it will grow into abundance, into money. The bouquet, yeah, some sort of a celebration is coming. Some good news is coming, friends. Maybe someone will propose you, or it's your birthday. Happy birthday! And the heart lock. So I think someone has been keeping their feelings from you. They will share it. Number 44, angels are with you. And number 17, again 17 reminds me of the star card, wish is coming true. You also have this, look at that, smile, blushing. So something will happen that will make you feel happy. You are very protected, friends. You are very protected. Don't give up. And look at this. Keep working on your dreams, friends. You are on the right path. This may be a week where nothing happens, but actually this is the week when whatever you start will prosper in the future. Any actions you take now, like anything you study now, is actually going to end up in your exams, and that is when you will get good grades. So study well. Butterfly, some positive changes are coming, some positive news is coming. Look, the headphones, you may buy a headphone, someone may gift you a headphone. Music is very important. You may be dealing with a person who, a lover, who is a musician, an artist, a creative person, or you may also be connecting to creativity. The teacup, yes, a lot of dates or meetings. Maybe a party is going to happen, or you're gonna give yourself a party, like, hey, I'm gonna enjoy. We made it through 2020. We should enjoy, friends. We should, because we made it through 2020. It was tough, it wasn't easy. And the journey gets even better from here. Exciting. We'll talk about it later. The Wheel of Fortune, yes, things are going to turn in your favor. So go for it, friends, and marry, the weed. You are anxious, friends. You are a little anxious. You may, you have a little imbalance this week. Like you may become too lazy, or too anxious, or just not, or too excited. So just stay in a bit of balance. The leaf, I think this is like a award coming, some sort of a recognition coming from your work, from your schools or colleges. Number 14 is also important, so that is going to happen. Peace, the white bead of peace. Yes, peace is coming. Four of cups, yeah. Four of winter is also here. You are a little bored, this starting this week. You're missing, or you are missing someone, or there is no one in your life. That is the reason. Two of wands. I think people around, people, you're very mature now. What you want, you're very clear. It is coming your way. October is important. Maybe something happened in October. Eight of Wands, yes, you are going to, so, someone is going to take action towards you, or you will take action towards them. Green, the energy of green is healing, money coming your way, healing. And look at that past life, yeah, there is a past. See, I told you, your, spirit lovers, loved ones, spirit family, past life connection is coming. Black, you're very protected. You have two protection charms, friends, very powerful. Four of air, see, four of air is already here. You also have this charm, four of air. So yeah, waiting is there. One of your breakthroughs are coming. What you're waiting for is will be shown to you. Cows, mother yourself, friends. Take care of yourself. Don't forget yourself in others. Dear, stay. I think you're a sweetheart, friends. You're a sweetheart. You're very kind. You're very loving, and I see you are going to find. And that's your worry. Will you find someone who understands you, or will that person ever tell you how they feel? Yes, they are going to. Seer, yes. I think some of you are going to find some spiritual mentors, or some sort of a hope. Look at that. Some spiritual relief. X, yeah, some X is bothering you, and maybe some new people are around, but you are like, will this they be like your ex? Moon, yes, things are a little confusing. The moon is also important. We have a full moon. Lion, yeah, you're very either you are very passionate this week or just not interested. Ace of Wands, yeah, some you're going to start something this week. Nine of Air, you have Nine of Air. Here it is. Nine of Wands also. So you're very close to achieving your goals. You're very close, friends. Karmic, yeah, there is a situation which is karmic. Related to your past life. USA. USA is also important for some of you. Eight of Coins. You're working. I see, like, this is a mixed kind of a week for you. A lot is happening, but a lot may be happening behind the scenes. So go for it. Enjoy this week. Take care of yourself. Subscribe Magic Wednesday. Bye for now. So, for those who chose option number 3, friends, let us see how things will be for you for this week. Let's see that these are your oracle messages, these are your advices. Let's see. Wow, the Justice. This is a powerful week for you, friends. Some things you chose this card, Hope, the Star card, So, this is already itself a very powerful card. So, something, life is coming into balance for you. You may be asking for when you will get justice in your life. Life feels a bit unfair to you right now. Maybe money is not coming, or maybe, people are not recognizing you. Something is out of balance in your life. But balance is coming, friends. The life is going to go in your favor from now or from this week, starting from this week. It is fated. Look at that, number 8. So, very nice. Let's see what else. The Dreamer, the Fool. I think, yes, some of you are ready for a new start in your life, like moving out, or joining a new college or a job, or it is time for you to just spread your wings. Like, if you have not learned to drive, you will learn. You want to try something new, like starting to drive, going back to schools, going back to colleges. Maybe you left college, or like you are an adult, but you want to go back and learn something new. So you want to spread your wings. This is the week where you are planning about the future. And it's good. It's good. A new start is coming for you. It is destined for you. A fresh, clean slate, friends. It is destined. High Priestess. Yes, you know what you are. You know what you want. You have a clear idea. And all this way, these hardships you have been through, because the star comes after the tower, the death, the devil. You have faced it all. So now you have become very intelligent. So this is your week to keep your eyes open. Some very important messages will be coming your way, or you may see some birds, some butterflies. The full moon is also there, so that might also bring you some important messages. Your intuition is very high and very correct this week, so listen to it. Listen to the signs. You may also dream a lot this week, friends. Listen to that. Listen to your dreams, and you have become very intelligent, so you are ready for this new start. If you are doubting, like, whether you can have this new start, are you capable of it, will it happen for you, whether it is in work, love, or in education, yes, you are ready for it. You have done your work, you are ready, and you have the knowledge. You will be protected, you will be guided. Four of Summers, look at that. Four of Cups. I think you are a little disappointed this week that some things are not going the way you thought they will. Maybe you thought a person or a relationship will work out. Maybe you thought you will be married, or you thought, you are a little disappointed this week. Like things didn't go as you thought they will. Like some dreams didn't go as you thought. Like some relationship disappointed you, some lover, some parents, but you know what? But it is fated. It was meant to happen because something better is coming your way. And if you don't believe me, look at that, Three of Cups. Something better is coming, friends. And if someone put you in a third party, hurted you, caused you pain, God bless them. They are definitely going to have it back, and soon. So God bless them. You are going to have your success, friends. You deserve it. You are going to have a celebration this week, or maybe you will find some relief. Like some news from news to from education, or travel related news is coming. You'll feel excited. If you are looking for a new job, it is coming your way. Um, I also feel some of you might start farming, or you will start learning those things, how to grow your own food, and it will be good for you. You will enjoy it, you will like it. This will be exciting. Some of you may be planning all those things. The Emperor, look at that. You are very powerful, friends, this week. I also feel some of you may be dealing with a very arrogant, egoistic person, maybe a lover, twin flame, husband or wife, or someone very strict, maybe a boss. So don't focus on them, friends. Focus on your happiness. Maybe you have a birthday coming this week, or something good will happen. So enjoy that. I see there is someone who is very arrogant, strict, and they won't let you do or enjoy. But I think you should listen to yourself. Listen to your intuition. Princess of Spring. See, I see some sort of, I think some award is coming your way, and I think you should award yourself also, because you have done your work. You have really done your work. I can't even tell you how hard you have worked for this High Priestess, this new start, this justice. You are ready for this Emperor, this position of leadership, this success. You're ready, friends, and you deserve it. Aries, Leo, Sag person might be important, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, and a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Look at that, Queen of Summer. I see a lot of people are causing you, a lot of people are involved with you this week, like the Emperor, the Princess of Spring, the Queen of Summers, and here is the Prince of Spring, Prince of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sag again. So I feel like you may be dealing with a third party, some of you. Like your person has married, they want you and the other person, so that might be the problem. Or you could be dealing with your parents, and so that couldn't be, that can also be. Or you're married, your in-laws, or you and your partner are a team, but everyone else is like, oops. So a lot of people oriented week it is. A lot of people are here. Let me see what it is about. Yeah, okay, so the thing is, friends, a lot of people will try to distract you this week, because there are a lot of people. Your friends will say, hey, let's party. Or there is, there are lovers who don't, who will just say, let's go out, let's do this. But you know who you are, and you know that your focus is on work. I don't think so anybody can distract you, but there will be people who will be distracting you, family, parents, lovers, friends also. Some celebrations are also coming, but I see that you should keep working, friends. If you have an exam, keep working, because you will be successful. If you have an interview, work, because your chances of success are high. And even if you have nothing, you will exams or something like that, you will feel proud of yourself this week, because a lot of people are pulling you in different directions. Someone is also behaving very egoistically and selfishly, and someone is emotionally needy around you. You have to listen to your intuition, and you do what what is best for you. So take charge. You can do it. Blessed, yes, you are very, very protected, friends. Fate is with you, karma is with you. So don't worry, and you're very protected. Something will happen, this Three of Cups, some recognition, some award, something will happen which will make you feel like, yes, you are safe. Co-create, number 40. I think your focus is on the future. I can't even talk now. Bumble. You don't want to talk to people, right? This week, I know you're like, I want to work. I don't want to talk. That's the energy, and it's a good energy. Your focus. You want a lot of new things in your life. It's a good thing. Keep working. Keep manifesting. You're on the right path. Don't listen to people who say you can't do it. Nope, you can. Balance, look at that 1111. You are dealing with the twin flame this week. Also, if you are not single, a very important connection is coming your way in the future. And this is your week to get ready, to let go of the past, saying bye bye and becoming, ready. Let things go. There are people you need to let go. Worries, people, you will have to like, okay, fine, I'm focused on myself. 11. So focus on yourself, friends. Stay balanced. Don't listen to others. Listen to your intuition. You are ready. Fate is with you. Advice: emotions are running high, supermoon. Since a lot of people are around you, you will feel a little spread, like everybody wants, someone is egoistic, someone is, needy. I don't know how you are going to deal with this, but I think create some space. There is a lot of happiness coming for you if you create a space and don't let these egoistic people or needy people or those people whose emotions are high. Things will be good for you, friends. This is a good week actually. You're very successful also this week. Just you have to stay balanced. Let's see, pile number 3, what will happen? Oops. Wow, you again have the protection charm. A lot of people need to be reminded they are safe and protected. Look at that. This is beautiful. Wow, the letter DEV in the name Dev is important. There is also RS. Someone maybe with the name RS or, Rave is important. Let's see. So, you have the letter number 5 on the dice. Good changes are coming your way, friends. Things are about to change for you. So, it is time. You are ready for. Maybe you will have some opportunity to travel and you are a little scared, or a new job is coming which is from a different city, or a college is coming. You are a little scared, but take it, friends. It's going to be good. You are protected. You are safe. The yellow car, it is about happiness. It is about staying positive. Number 12 is important for you, friends. 12 is also the month we are in right now, December, so that's important. Tree of life. I think you want to, I don't know, this is like family is important. Tree of life. Someone is maybe married. They want to be with you, but they are married. You also want to be, you also want to start your own family. So family is very important. Your roots are important. Some of you are like, should you go out, spread your wings and leave your roots? I think yes, because you have the travel again card. Traveling is again here. Again, the aeroplane is here, so traveling is important. News related to travel is important. The greenhouse, money is coming, friends. If you're worried about money in the future, you will have it. Money is coming your way. We also have the alphabet A here. You also have this card. This reminds me of your intuition, friends. Take care, listen to your intuition. Otherwise, you will doubt yourself. You don't need to doubt. You're doing great. Why doubt? Mushrooms, yes. Something happy. Mushrooms are also about magic. It is about something which is new, which is sudden, some unexpected happiness or news coming. The Lord Ganesha is with you. You are very protected. Your finances are very protected. The teacup is here. I think, friends, drink some tea and forget the stress. People are stressing around you. Don't listen to them. I am telling you this. People will try to, push you down. Don't listen to it. Super emotions are high, super moon. The pearl. You are the pearl, friends. Value yourself. Wheel of fortune. You are lucky. Things are going good for you. But if you focus on the other things, you may miss out on this luck. So, the flowering lady, keep focused on your future, on your goals. Don't get distracted. Avoid third parties, friends. Avoid third party. The dear, you are very sensitive, friends. You may not realize it, but you are very sensitive. So, and you're also ready. You may feel like you're not ready for a new start. You are not ready for this promotion, or how will you do this? Maybe you want to learn like skating. How do I, how do we do it? We will fall down. You'll do well, friends. You'll do well. The iron is here. It is like there are some issues going on in your relationships, but but it will resolve. Yeah, someone is coming back who may be a past lover or someone you are currently with. There is a lot of talk about you and this person with their friends and family. Four of cups, again you're feeling a little like oops. Four of coins, save your money, friends, save your money. Money will, money is coming, but save it. Dolphin, yeah, stay focused on happiness. Seven of coins, just a bit of wait, and people will trigger you. Don't focus, stay patient. Friends, friend is important to you this week. Mother, yeah, your parents are also important. Queen of cups, your mother, your father are also important. Ten of cups, family is again important. The Knight of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Seven of Wands. Don't give up on your goals, friends. I think your parents may be like, hey, don't go for that job, don't go for that holiday. Maybe, don't try this, don't start this. Lover. Maybe there is a person who is friend zoned, but they have deeper feelings for you, or a lover and a friend both are important. Giver, yeah, you're very kind, friends. Don't be so kind to others, be kind to yourself this week. Mars, take action. Mars is also like favoring you for your education, your career. Knight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Roads, wow, again a travel card. Look, one, two, there are two, three. Oh no, you have all the travel charms. Look, one, the aeroplane, the ship, the car. I think some of you need this. I don't know what it is. Maybe someone is coming towards you, or if you are planning to relocate or something. Yes, it is going to happen. Number 5 is important, and listen to your intuition. You will know exactly when it will happen. Number 12 is also important, and look at this charm. After 4 travel charms, you have roads. Where are they going? We don't need roads. See, this is again a travel charm. Oh, this is beautiful. It's a powerful week for you, friends. So get ready. Subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye.